Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to share Discord link. So it's pretty simple. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So it's pretty simple to send a Discord share link. So for this you need to have a server or you need to be a part of a server. Right now I have a server over here and the servers are going to be displayed at this side over here, as you guys can see where my mouse is pointing. So all the names and symbols you see in this column is going to be of server. So right now I'm on Witchy's server. So to invite people on this server, I need to get a link. So to get the link, I can click on this icon over here which says create invite. Click on create invite and you can click on copy over here. After clicking on copy, you have copied the link. Now you can paste the link wherever you want. So let's say I'm pasting this link over here. As you guys can see, you can paste this link on your messenger, on your telegram, or on wherever you want, and however you want to contact your friend, and your friend can just click on join and they can join this server. So that's basically how you share a link on Discord. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our video, be sure to subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.